Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to set Facet even page number in MS Word. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the header and click on the edit header. This will be enabled header section, and then again click on the insert, click on the header, and now select the Facet even page number. Click on that and here you will see that. You can select it and make it resize, and now click on the number and make it bigger as per your requirement. You can even go to the home and make it bold and change the color of your choice, for example red, and you can also go to the shape format and here you can select the different shape formats like this one, like this one, like this one. Moreover, you can select it and go to the picture format and click on this color options, and here you can select different color options. Here is the yellow one. You can make it resize according to the need, make it bigger. So you can select the number and make it center in the Facet even page number like this one, and here you can see that, and you can go to the home and change the font size to 20, can change the color of your choice black, so make it more center like this one, and here is much better. Click the outer part of the Facet even page number and go to the picture format, color, go to the color, and here you can give more recolor, and here is the more variation. You can select one of them. These are the color saturation and transparency. You can change any of which you like it. For example, this is the blue area. You can click on this option, make sure it should be in front of text, and here again you need to click on insert, go to the page number and click on format page number, and here you can change the style and make it Roman. Click OK, OK, and here you can see that, and double click inside the page and here you can see that. If you want to remove it, then double click on the header area to enable again, and now right click and make it cut, and again right click and make it cut, and here is the Facet even page number removed. So this way you can easily set Facet even page number in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.